Welcome, church. We're so glad that you're here with us on this Holy Monday. Today is famously known for Jesus going into the temple and cleansing it and removing all the people who were going in and selling animals, trading currencies, doing all this stuff. He went in to reclaim that space, to say that He is God. He is the Son of Man, and He is God in the flesh. So as we go throughout Holy Week, I just want us to truly give our worship to the Lord. I really want us to just focus on Him, focus our hearts on worshiping Jesus this week. Let's sing together.
Precious fountain on Calvary's mountain, flowing down to you and I. It washes us clean. Oh, what a mystery! That red blood makes me white, and isn't it wild? Doesn't it make you wonder how something so profound could be so simple? The blood, the blood, the blood, oh, the wonderful blood. Your love, your love, your love, oh, the marvelous love. Let the redeemed sing a song. Praises belong to the Son. The blood, the blood, the blood, oh, the wonderful blood. Oh, let your blood was the wonderful blood. Thank you for the blood. The work you did is finished. All of our sins forgiven, and now we get to live it. Oh, the wonder of the work in blood. The cross was your decision, but death was not the ending. You rose and now we're risen. Oh, the wonder of the work in blood. 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 So slow me down, and take my eyes off what's around. Your spirit's moving here and now. I don't wanna miss your presence. Not in a rush, I'd rather wait. Unite my heart to bring you praise. Tomorrow's calling, but today I don't wanna miss your presence. I wanna be present. I wanna be focused. I wanna give you all of my attention, all of my affection. I wanna be hungry. I wanna be desperate, and may my heart be set on fire. Yahweh, my desire. I don't wanna move so fast. May you be my first priority, and I don't wanna put you last, but I just wanna give you all of me. Sing it. Slow me down. Would you slow me, Lord? Slow me down. Slow me down right now. Slow me down. Not in a rush, Lord. Slow me down. Oh.
center of it all. From the beginning to the end, it will always be, it's always been you, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, sing it with us. Jesus at the center of it all. Oh, Jesus at the center of it all. From beginning to the end, it will always be, it's always been you, Jesus. Jesus, nothing else matters. Nothing in this world will do. My Jesus, Jesus, you're the center. Everything revolves around you. Jesus, you at the center of it all.
The blood, the blood, the blood, oh the wonderful blood. Your love, your love, your love, oh the marvelous love. Let the redeemed sing a song. Praises belong to the Son.